5-star property with pools, private beach, full-service spa. Catch some rays on 7 Seas Hotel Life all-inclusive private beach, or spend the day relaxing at the full-service spa. Then enjoy a meal at one of the property's 3 restaurants. All 296 rooms feature thoughtful touches like free minibar items and pillow menus, plus free Wi-Fi and LCD TVs with satellite channels. Other amenities available to guests include balconies or patios, 24-hour room service, and coffee makers. 7 Seas Hotel Life All-Inclusive offers 296 air-conditioned accommodations with free minibar items and safes. Rooms open to balconies or patios. A pillow menu is available. LCD televisions come with satellite channels. Bathrooms include showers, complimentary toiletries, and hair dryers. This Kemer property provides complimentary wireless internet access. Business-friendly amenities include desks and phones. Additionally, rooms include complimentary bottled water and coffee tea makers. Housekeeping is provided daily. A private beach, 2 outdoor tennis courts, a health club, and a complimentary water park with water slides are featured at the property. 3 outdoor swimming pools are on site along with a children's pool. Other recreational amenities include a sauna and a fitness center. The recreational activities listed below are available either on site or nearby. Fees may apply. Guests can indulge in a pampering treatment at the property's full-service spa. Services include facials, body wraps, body scrubs, and body treatments.